Dear students, now we see about garden implements. Introduction. A garden tool is any one of many tools made for gardening and overlaps with a range of tools made for agriculture and horticulture. Garden tools can be divided into hand tools and power tools. First we say about ticking. Ticking is one of gardening's most basic tasks. Ever since man gave up using his hands in favor of picking up a stick to help him tick, the tools people used to turn and move soil have become more diverse in their design and specialized in their uses. Knowing the range of digging tools available and what each of them is designed to do with help you choose the right digging tool for the job. First one of the digging tool is saws and spades. A saw with its rounded edge and body is better for moving material from one place to another. Though you can certainly use it for digging in soft soil. The square edges of the spade allows you to cut into the soil by pushing down on its back edge with your foot, pulling back the handle like a lever and then turning over the dirt. Next digging tool is trowels. Basically a miniature saw, a trowel is a hand-sized tool that's perfect for smaller digging tasks. You can use it to make short seed burrows, digging holes for small plants, removing weeds with shallow roots or plant bulbs. They typically have a pointed end that's geared for cutting and some even measure how deeply you have dug. Next digging tool is garden or spading forks. Garden forks are primarily used to till and aerate the soil. They are especially useful for breaking up heavy clay soil. Not to be confused with pitchfork, which has slender round tins for moving straw. A spading fork has flat or square tins that are very strong. The best have at least 4 tins and a strong T-shaped handle. By the straight one you can abroad for long-lasting value. Next is pruning shears. Pruning is the another one process of gardening. Pruning is not only helps keep your landscaping beautiful, but it's also necessary to promote tree growth and health. In order to do your best pruning, you will need to right tools to get it all done. First we see the one of the pruning tool is pruning shears. These are probably the most used tool when it comes to pruning shrubs, flowers, vines, and small growth on trees. Pruning shears are hand held at and can cut branches twigs up to 3 by 4 of an inch thick. Pruning saws. Next in the pruning tool lineup is a pruning saw, which is capable of taking on branches from 1.5 to 5 inches in diameter and are available in many different styles. Hedge shears. Hedge shears are great if you have hedges, small shrubs, evergreens, or death-headling perennials. They can be used to any hedge shrub and cut branches up to 2 1 by 4 inch thick. Next garden tool is garden rake. The farmers and professional landscapers use mechanically powered tools to prepare the soil. Home gardeners with smaller plots of land can easily to do some with simple garden rack. Unlike a leaf rack, a garden rack is made up of rigid metal with a straight boss set with 3-inch teeth. Racking the soil is usually done before planting the seeds. Racks are used to press the seeds into the soil after they have been sown. Thank you.